What's up, everybody? We are going to make program 10 from scratch. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to mess up along the way, but yeah, here we go. I guess program, I don't know. I switch between program and project, but probably about that big. Gonna change the text right off the bat from form 1 to basket, ball, running score. And we gotta get that icon. Okay. Gonna go ahead and put, let's start with the label. At the top, the date. I'm gonna stretch that across the top right about so. Going to switch the auto size to false. This one does not need a border, however, so I don't need to mess with the border settings. I'm not sure what he wanted exactly for the things. I don't think it really matters. But, text align, top center, and we're going to change this to current date. I don't know, it's easier for me because it, acts as a placeholder, I suppose. Because otherwise, if you left it blank, you're not going to realize, oh hey, there's something there. You might forget about it. And we got to give it a name. And, I don't know. I'm going back and forth between my laptop and this. Because I know I did the thing, I was too lazy to transfer it. So it's going to be LBL current date. And I've noticed a lot of you mess up with the names and stuff. It's got to be the first word or little phrase, whatever, is all lowercase. All the rest, the first letter is capitalized. That's how you know how it is. It's very particular like that. Next, we're going to put the home label. And oh wait. Well, I guess we can just call it home. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to call it label home. And again, it doesn't matter, but he goes through and checks it. And if you don't have it like this, then he has a bitch fit. And yeah. Change it to about 10 or so, because it is a little bit bigger on the picture. Go ahead and put it right about there. And I'm going to call this one home. We're going to hold control and click and drag across. That's an easy way to copy. If you have a function already written out for a button and you want to copy, it's going to modify the function. I'll show that. So don't do that. Copy the buttons before you put any code into them. Now this is going to be visitor. We'll call this label visitor. Visitor. Alright. Now we're going to place a text box. try to get it as center as possible. Looks nice. We're gonna call this one team, or let's go with team home, just because I don't know. For me, it's easier if everything that's the same is in the beginning, you know, one after another, and then at the end you finally change what's supposed to be changed. So this one, it would just be LBL team visitor. That way, if you want to make a function, which you guys are probably never going to do this because most of you are education majors, but if you guys are in here for coding, if you want to make a function, and excuse me, I'm eating at the same time, but if you want to make a function and it uses a bunch of different functions like this and calls a bunch with the same, like relatively the same name, you're going to want to have that label team like that, because then you could easily just copy paste label team and then just do plus then a text of home visitor, whatever you need to do. Makes it a lot easier. Cut. No, I'm gonna text message. Hold on. Well, Taylor's coming over. Taylor, you're in the video. Just like your music was the last time. Alright, I'll make it about that big. And actually, we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, just because it would look a lot better if you could get that centered like that. That looks pretty cool. Alright. Like I said, we're not going to put any functions in them quite yet, but we're going to rather just drag them across like this. Then you select all of them, control. Look at how easy that was! Freaking awesome! See that? About like so. See, I let go of the control there. Bam, and bam. Okay. So now we're going to call this button home free throw. Again, you don't even really need to name these, but he will take points off, sadly. At least he does with me. Maybe he's just sexist. Okay, button home. I'm just gonna go 2.fg, because if you put the number 2 in there, it's not gonna read it right. Oh, whoops. Oops, 3 point. There we go. This one's gonna be button clear. Button visitor free throw. Button visitor 2.fg. So and so, so and so. 3 point. Wait. Forgot the visitor. See, even I make mistakes. Oh, this one just needs to be exit. That's our exit button. So now we're gonna go. We're going to change the text to these. So 2, or no, this is the free throw. 2.fg. 3.fg. Alright. Oops. Alright. So we got that done. Now we are going to put a rich text box. I'll go ahead, put that right about like that. And right off the bat, we're going to start and go click on Dock. Dock will put it along wherever you want it to. Like, put up there, look at that, goes to the top. See? Yeah. Anyway, we want it on the bottom. We're going to call this RTV score. No, let's go score board. How about that? Here's the important part. You gotta go in font. Go to what's that? It was something with a C, I think. What was that? Courier New. Courier New, right there. The reason we have to use that is because Courier is one of the only ones. I think Lucidia Console does it too. But when you put in text, everything is the same width, so everything is lined up. It's pretty sweet. Although I'm still not sure how he did it. He made all the points aligned with each other. I'm not sure how he did that. But yeah, you get the idea. We're not going to put any text in here yet. So we're going to double click on the free throw. Actually, you know what? Let's start with the current date. And no, you do not double click on it like I just did. Instead, this is one of the things that's going to be loaded right when you start the program. So you double click on the form in here anywhere that nothing else is. Or do what he said, double click up here in the toolbar. That way you don't select anything. Okay. I gotta go into code on this one. Okay. So on form load, we're gonna make the date variable today as date, and that date is going to be equal to now. And we're going to set the current date. Text equal to dat today dot to long date long date string. Yeah. Oh wait. Let's see. Current. Oh wait. I didn't name this, did I? Why is it not working? Troubleshooting, my favorite thing. Oh. Current. There. Current. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm tired. That's my excuse. Okay. And that's when we go, this is our free throw button. This is why it's nice to name them. Although I never do it. And yeah. Just easy because you can look and be like, okay, this is this function. Freaking awesome. So yeah. We gotta go up top here and declare our constants. So const str, that means string, free throw as string equals free throw. And I got a text message, I'll be right back. I think it means Taylor's here. Taylor from the edge. Oh no, he's on his way over. Excellent. Let me text him quick. Okay. These constants, I'm not really sure if you need them, but I think it's a good idea. Because this way, if you ever need to change the text for what the score is, you can do this right from here. 2.fg. Or sorry, as string equals 2.fg. Bam. See, I want to copy paste that. Because all you're going to need to do is change a little bit here. Save you a lot of typing. And we did switch this around, so we're gonna go team home instead. And team visitor as string. And we gotta capitalize that, otherwise we're gonna get screwed up. And this is where I have to learn too, so it might take me a little while. Because I have to go through and yeah. This, because before in the picture that I uploaded in the Form 1 load where we set the date and stuff, the string home team, the text that you put in the text box is actually taken from there in the beginning because if you left it blank it came up with an error just the way that I had coded it. But this one we have to switch it around because they have to start out blank, he said. So you cannot have anything in these when you start the program. So, okay, and Taylor's here. So, I'll be right back.
Jeez, it's a huge TV.
So, I guess you can follow along
Alright.
as we're going. Get the making of the video here. Alright. Alright.
Is it just you that's in this room?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Yep. It's pretty sweet.
At least you get a decent bed.
Yeah. Except for the giant crack in the middle here. Anyway, so now we got Taylor in here. So, yeah. Alright. And, see, it sucks because on the picture that I uploaded,
Yeah.
right here, I set the text boxes to, and all, like, to grab the text from the thing right there, but he wanted that blank at the beginning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I have to figure out a new way to.
Well, I might have done that part.
That.
differently too, I think.
I'm not sure how he did it though, because if you do that, then the only way to do to make it work would be to declare it in every single freaking button, and
Oh, yeah.
that's gonna add about 20, 40 lines of code, something like that. Yeah. Which I don't understand, because if you use the clear button, then you can do whatever, but...
That's the part that's on the that's the form part.
Yeah.
Form part.
Yep, form 1 load. Excuse me. So, we gotta find another way to load that. I guess in the meantime we can go make the free throw button. Alright, so show home score equals, or plus equals 1. What the plus equals does is whatever you have, it only works if you want to increase that variable that you have it before, and just increases it by 1 or whatever you want to put here, like 5, 10, yeah. But since free throws are 1 point, then there you go.
Now, I saw when he was writing the code on the board, he had mshow. He had some stuff as mshow.
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be mshow, or?
I can imagine.
Yeah.
Again, it doesn't matter, but
Yeah.
he is stupid. I'm sorry. And it's adding more for the computer to do, so it's actually slowing down your computer just by a little bit,
Yeah.
but
So I'm pretty sure everything that has show is supposed to be mshow.
yeah. So I'll go through and
Yeah, that's
change that.
like that anyway,
I'll change that.
Is there a way that you can like do that, or do you have to go in each one and change that?
Actually, you can do this. You can go download this program right here. Nope, not Notepad. Notepad++ is what it's called. It's awesome for coding. And you can copy in your code, start a new document. And what this does is you can do, let's see. You type in, you go to replace, do,
Oh, okay.
yeah, show
It's like
home.
autocorrect.
Yep, show home score and set that to M. Show home score. Bam. And replace all, and then
Okay.
all of them are done for you.
Nice.
But
Yeah, I'm thinking all of these have to be mshow.
yeah, so I guess you can just
I can do that.
yeah. Yeah, it's a great program. Also, it has like syntax libraries for just about every language out there. So if you need to, if you make a mistake, it will find it and show you.
Really?
Yeah, and it's free too. It's unreal. Anyway, back to the interesting stuff. Back to the video, I should say. And I'm too lazy to edit all this out, so this is going to be in the video.
Yeah.
Append text. Show home score. And good to go. I gotta do M show. I guess with this we gotta. This is so stupid. It drives me nuts when you do stuff like this.
Yeah. See, the other thing too, I didn't see any constants when he was writing his stuff. But
Yeah, it's because with this one you can actually change what
Oh.
the score text is going to be,
okay.
and he's not going to know the difference. So
Yeah.
I don't-
Yeah.
I don't know. It's how I code.
Yeah.
I want to make it easier so if he decides to make a future assignment that's relative to this one, I can just be like,
Yeah.
I just need to change 3 lines of code instead of about 80. Yeah, because these, if you look in the book, ahead of the book, dude, some of the stuff that we're going to be doing is ridiculous.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Like, even I don't know how to
Okay,
do
so
it.
now how do you get that on your TV right now?
This is my computer. This is 2 separate
Oh.
computers. Yeah. I can control this one, though. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, I can just go remote desktop. Oh, and I forgot I get a different computer, so that's not going to work. But stream.
Did you figure out what the thing for detail needed to be?
Detail. What do you mean?
He said something was supposed to be like as detail or whatever. It's supposed to be one of the declarations or whatever. I think. I don't know.
Well, I forgot. He wanted this to be named RTV out. So much easier with a mouse. So where's that at?
I don't know. He was going through just a little bit of it at the end of class the other day, and I saw him write something about detail.
Do you want a drink? Anything to drink?
Oh no.
You sure?
Yeah, I just had 40 beers before I came over here.
Not a beer. Not a beer.
I don't even.
You sure?
Toss me a juice.
Juice? Which one?
Orange.
Yeah, my friend Danny, she found out that she had $1,000 on her Flex.
Oh really?
Yeah. And so she was out there, she emptied out the vending machine that's out there, and she got all the energy drinks, and most of these, and most of the pops out of the other one. And then she finally decided, heck, I'm gonna go to the C-store, and she...
Are you serious?
Yeah, she turned it into meals.
Oh.
Yeah. Pretty cool. And I found out if you take them cold or frozen, they're even better. So I got all that stuff for free. And I have more.
Well.
She gave me an entire garbage can full of stuff. She just was sitting out there. I was like, what are you doing?
She just had to buy it all at once.
Yeah. She filled 5 garbage cans at least, I think. 4 or 5. Everybody living now. Everybody sucks. Alright. So you still don't know what he was talking about with the detail thing, though?
No, I don't. I don't know even.
Alright. Guess that's the only way we're gonna do it, though. We're at the declare in every single one of these things.
Oh, really?
Yep. Because if you start the program without declaring what's in the text box, then it's gonna be wrong. Comes up with
Should I just erase everything? Would be easiest probably. It's on here.
save like this line. Save that one.
Okay.
Because that one takes a while to type.
For each of them.
What you can do, just do this. Just do that. Make it a comment, and you can just delete everything else that's not green. And then, and then you can just, I love comments. So we're gonna set that equal to text team home dot text. So there. Now the program is happy. If you press F5, it'll run it, and as you can see, it increases like so. Oh, and I forgot, he wants that one line of code. What was it? Team, or no, score. And see, I don't know how he got everything lined up, because you know how his, like this, it's freaking weird. I don't know.
Like, I know he said if you wanted, like, more space between things, all you had to do was just add more space in between the quotation marks.
But you'd have to know how many characters.
I mean, I'm sure it isn't that big of a deal. It'd probably only be like a point with that. This program's only worth 15 points, and there's a shitload of stuff on it. So.
I'm just gonna get rid of that then. I don't care. Okay. So I guess this is where you copy paste. Alright, let's copy that line. Double click on the 2 point and paste it in. Change this to 2. And yeah, it's still the same team. So double click on that. Put a 3 there. Double click this. Do that. Change this to team. Or visitor, sorry. Visitor. Yeah, you like this song?
Yeah, it's pretty good. What is this?
This is Static X.
Oh, really?
Brain Fog. First song on their album. And it's weird because you'd think it'd be their last song because at the end it has a giant outro, like 5 minutes long where nothing goes on. I think. Oops.
Everybody guesses the Static X.
Did I label that right? Oh, I put a label. See, even I make mistakes. Text box and put a label.
Ask you too, what's that little screen thing?
This? Oh, that's for recording. That's how many frames per second. Like if I move my mouse faster.
Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah. That's how I record my games and stuff. Check this out. This is where I record them all.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I've got 2 2TB hard drives,
Oh, Jesus.
and then an SSD for boot. Computer starts up in 18 seconds.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I'm talking like starts up, gets to the desktop. Yeah, 18 seconds. See, this is where the big outro is. So, and it creeps me out every time because it comes in randomly.
I've never understood why they do that. Some songs.
Yeah,
But
but
there's this huge thing of silence, and then there's like just a couple things. And that's it. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. And like this came out of nowhere when I was sleeping,
Oh.
and I was like, ah, what is this?
Terrible.
Oh, that's gotta stay the same. Yeah, we'll just go to the next song. Dirt House. Great song.
So in Form 1, all you have to do is do the thing with the date.
Yep, this right here. Because now we're not going to set the text like we did. We're going to set it actually in every freaking button.
I see. That's stupid. Why do we have to do that?
That's, I know. That's how he wants it though. Because if you leave it blank, then it comes up. It doesn't start. The program doesn't work because it doesn't. It's trying to grab a string that's not even there.
Yeah.
So. But he's just like, nope, you're gonna do it my way to her. But alright, so now we can copy pasta this. Change that to 2. Change that to 3. And we're gonna try and see if that works. We'll put in Fucker. Alright. Fucker free throw. Awesome.
Yeah, there's supposed to be, maybe you do this at the end, but it's supposed to say score and then team and then basket too.
Yeah. That's what I was wondering about.
Oh.
I could add that in quick, I suppose. That's the thing, is like right here, this is where it's gonna be off center like a yuck. And then what was the other one? What was it called?
Score, team, and basket.
Basket, alright.
Is that something that's supposed to be in Form 1? Because then if you click clear, that will disappear, won't it?
Well, make it so it'll disappear.
Yeah.
Right now, it wouldn't. Well, it would get rid of it and then it wouldn't come back. That's why in the clear you're gonna have to say okay and then put this in. So that's why that picture was a concept. Did it really get rid of everything I typed in there? It did, didn't it? Wow. Team. Ta-da. Oh. And if you do it this way, you're gonna have to switch it around actually, and put this in the beginning. Except I don't know how to do new line unless, yeah, it adds it at the beginning on the first one. I don't know how to do new line in the beginning. I suppose I can just do this. Okay, so in the form load, do this. RTB out dot text. Or sorry, dot append text. Ta-da, and that's how you fix that. I have no idea.
There's been programs where you have the exact same code.
Yep. Okay. So M show home score equals. I guess that. Well, I can't remember the name of the code for that. This is gonna be a long video. Oh, to be out, that reset text. Alright. Oh, we don't want to reset the name. I forgot. Or, what am I doing? Wow. I'm having a blonde moment right now, and I'm not blonde. Set text. That's why it's not gonna work, because it's not a text box. God damn it, I'm so stupid. Equals 0. Show. Visitor score equals 0. RTB out. Dot. Set text. Yes, tuba. Alright. STR. It's MSTR this time. Team. Home. Equals. Well, I guess. See, and then with this code, we're not going to need to do anything there. I don't think we will. And see, I don't. The way he has it set up, or how this is going to work out, is that, like, while you're adding the points and stuff, if you can change the name of the team and then keep going, and it will change the name of it. It wouldn't do it if we did it my way, but I don't know how to. He doesn't have any fail-safes for his programs. It bugs me. It messes with me. Equals. I'll have to make a link to in the video to like skip to the end for people that just want the code. Alright, go RTB out. Text equals. Copy that text, put it right in there. And VB new line. That's how you solve a new line problem. Good.
There's nothing in here. All he has is accumulators.
3, 6, 5, 6. Good. Alright, it's working now. The date's working. That's working. I'm done.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
I don't know. A lot of stuff has changed. Alright, so yeah, I suppose. I think that's it.
So now run it. See what it looks like.
Yeah, I did. See, like, if you don't put anything in there,
Yeah.
But if you put something in there, it all of a sudden pops it up. And if you did it my way, it wouldn't. It would actually keep the same team through the entire game until you click clear. There's no way you can do it with this code. See, the clear button leaves this. Well, it doesn't actually leave it.
Okay, click on some of those points again.
3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6.
It says pre-show on all of them.
Oh, good man, good man. Saved me. Yeah. So good. 2 point FG. Oh, that's 3 point. Damn it. 3, 2. Free throw. It's a 2 point. You saved me some lost points.
Yeah.
Good.
Now to put clear of I can't stay doing.
And see, it doesn't actually stay. It does get removed right there, but you gotta add it back in.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. See, I don't think.
I don't know how. See, there's tons of different ways you could code anything.
I know.
I'm surprised he hasn't caught on yet.
Like, in my mind, this doesn't look too complicated. It's just really lengthy.
Yep.
And you just copy it for all of them.
When does program 11 due? Is that in 2 days, I think?
It was assigned yesterday.
It was assigned Friday or something like that, last week.
Yeah, it was assigned 15th.
Mm-hmm.
June 22nd. Program 11.
Is that Friday?
Yes.
Sound like he wanted to do tomorrow.
I think turnout's going to be tomorrow.
Might as well work on it. So, do you have this one done then, or?
No. But, I can just look at it in the video preview, but...
Yeah.
So, what's the point of having M show?
You're not on here. Why are you not on here? Benefits of being right here.
Oh, that works.
Alright. Okay. Let's go do program 11 as well. Make a separate video for this. So, goodbye, folks.